It's Father's Day today. What does Father's Day mean to you today, bro?
It's a very important thing to spend time with your father. How he's brought you up. But the real father is the Father in heaven. He's the one that looks up. He's the real father.
Yeah, anything from your dad that you were inspired by? Brought up?
Just say that he was there most of my time when I was playing. He used to come watch my games on his bicycle. Everyone had cars in those days. Yeah, but Dad used to come on his bike all the way to Wakareka Park, bro. Remember him?
Oh, yeah, only hung.
Yeah, only hung on mate.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, just doing all the jobs, giving us the job to do. But we didn't know then what it would be like. You know, like he was disciplining us to doing work, but not going outside playing with our friends. Yeah, Father's Day is a day of appreciating that you were born as well, like, you know. And when you have children, you have to be like how your dad taught you. You know, if your dad taught you these things, you have to teach it to them so they can pass it on to their kids. But Father's Day is, yeah, our real Father in heaven. He's our main Father.
Oh, thank you for sharing that. What Father's Day means to you, bro. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.